Every brand reflects a certain number. This number signifies a certain planet. Yesterday, Mohan came. He said, I am caught up in a confusion. I asked, what is the confusion? Mohan is a tech-savvy person, highly educated with a computer degree from a reputed university. But, he said, I want to buy a laptop, but I am really confused on which one to buy. I have seen hundreds of laptop review videos on YouTube, but still the question remains, which one to buy? I said, buy any laptop that has the configuration that suits your requirement. Mohan said, almost every brand has models having similar kind of configuration. And so it is not about configuration. It is more about the brand. Which laptop brand is lucky for me? I have been using Dell laptops all these years. But now I want to switch to some other brand. But which brand is suitable for me astrologically? And this is a deep question, my fellows. In fact, it connects to many levels of astrology, but always remember, no matter how big a brand is, you have to first see if it suits you astrologically. Now let us discuss the top laptop brands that currently we have in Indian markets. The 5 top laptop brands available in Indian markets are Dell, HP, Acer, Lenovo, Asus. Mohan always had severe problems in life because of his Rahu placement in the 4th house. So any brand that signify Rahu is not suitable for Mohan. Similarly, to all my close followers and listeners, I insist that first check Rahu's placement in your chart. Whenever Rahu is in 1st house, 4th house, 5th house, 8th house, and 12th house, you should never buy a brand that signify Rahu in astrology. However, when Rahu is in the 2nd house, in the 3rd house, 6th house, 7th house, 9th house, and 10th house, you can buy a brand that signify Rahu in astrology. So now let us see who should buy HP and Asus laptops. HP signify Rahu. Asus signify Rahu. So only those individuals who has a good placement of Rahu in their birth charts should buy HP laptops and Asus laptops. Individuals who have problems from Rahu in their birth chart should never buy these 2 brands. Who should buy Dell and Lenovo? Those individuals who have good placement of Venus in their birth chart should buy any of these 2 laptop brands, Dell or Lenovo, because both of these brands signify Venus. Venus is good when it is placed in 2nd house, 3rd house, 6th house, 7th house, 10th house, and 11th house. So if you have your Venus placed in any of these houses, of your birth chart, then just go ahead and buy a Dell or a Lenovo laptop, because both these brands signify Venus in astrology. Who should buy Acer laptops? Only those fellows who have excellent placement of moon in their birth charts. Moon is good when placed in the 4th house, in the 5th house, in the 9th house, and in the 12th house. So when you have your moon placed in these houses of your birth chart, then go ahead and buy Acer laptops. Nowadays, almost every laptop brand comes with a similar kind of configurations. So you just have to check which brand is astrologically suitable, just the way Mohan was trying to find out. However, the story doesn't end here. Now comes the leader of all laptops, the Apple of all laptops, the Apple MacBook. Apple is indeed a wonderful company whose founder, Steve Jobs, was a highly spiritual person. In his early 20s, Steve Jobs had come all the way to meet the divine spiritual master, Neem Karoli Baba. However, Baba had taken Samadhi a year before Steve arrived at his Vrindavan ashram. Steve and his friend stayed at the ashram for a few days, after which they left back to USA. And then began his journey when he established the Apple company and started working from a garage. The impact of Neem Karoli Baba was quite deep on Steve Jobs, and he made Apple as the logo of the company, simply because the favorite fruit of Neem Karoli Baba was apple. Neem Karoli Baba, one of the greatest divine master and avatar of Lord Hanuman, says, "Whoever may be your guru, he may be a lunatic or a common person. Once you have accepted him, he is the Lord of Lords." The founder of Apple, Steve Jobs, was spiritual by nature. In fact, Steve's Rahu was in Mula Nakshatra. Rahu's Nakshatra placement is of great significance. Mula is a highly spiritual nakshatra. And look, the brand name Apple signify number 7. Number 7 is the number of Ketu. That is why many sports persons consider the number 7 as lucky 7. Apple brand also signifies the number 7. No doubt it has been a lucky charm for many people across the globe. However, as mentioned earlier, no matter how big a brand is, you have to first check whether the brand is suitable and lucky for you astrologically. So, although anybody can buy any brand and anybody can buy Apple brand, still one should definitely buy Apple laptops if his or her Ketu is in the 1st house, 5th house, 8th house, 9th house, or 12th house. If you are having a dominant Ketu in your horoscope, then you should just get an Apple brand laptop without thinking too much. The master says, जरूरत से ज्यादा सोचना खुशी छीन लेता है. Thinking beyond limits steal away your happiness. Too much thinking is a poison that kills your happiness and steals your peace of mind. Stop thinking too much. Get out of your head and get into your heart. Think less and feel more. Rahu blocks you in your head. Ketu sets you free from your head so that you can start feeling the vibes. You can start listening to what your life is saying. It is only when you listen to the voice within you that you no more remain frustrated. You no more remain angry at life. Don't be angry at life. It is not life that is frustrating you. It is you who are not listening to life. On one side is the Rahu brands, HP and Asus, and on the other side is the Ketu brand, Apple. Interestingly, from medical astrology perspective, Rahu gives birth to acidity, whereas Ketu pacifies acidity. Apple, the name Apple signifies Ketu, and medical fraternity says that apple fruit pacifies acidity. What a great connection! Beautiful. You see how interesting astrology can be. Only if you are a man of heart, you can understand the true essence of astrology. Always remember, my fellows, heart is the source of intelligence, and intelligence is superior to intellectualism. Intellectualism is of the head, but the intelligence is of the heart. When head starts listening to the heart, intelligence is born. Intellectuality is mechanical. The intellect is absolutely bankrupt. It has nothing of its own, all is borrowed. And that's the difference between intelligence and intellect. Intelligence has an eyesight of its own, a capacity to see into things, into problems. Intelligence is your born quality. The question that Mohan asked was an intelligent one, because it doesn't matter how big a brand is. What matters is whether it is big for you, meaning suitable for you astrologically. Which color of laptop is suitable for you astrologically? When selecting a brand new laptop, be careful of the color you choose. Which color to choose? That must be your next question. And the answer is simple. Truth is always simple. God is always simple. Love is always simple. And so the answer is choose silver color if your moon is positively placed in the 1st, 4th, 9th or 12th house. Else choose black or a grey shade if your moon is weak or not placed in 1st, 4th, 9th or 12th house. If your moon by any chance is placed with Ketu or Mars, then you should never buy any electronic products, car or bike having silver color. Always remember, choose wisely. Remember this, you are free to choose, but you are not free from the consequence of your choice. It is only when you bring more awareness to your being that you will start making the right choices in life. Mohan is always focused on raising his awareness so that he can make good choices in life. One afternoon, after 7 days, I received a call, and it was Mohan. Happy and satisfied, he said, I have finally got my new laptop. Thank you so much for your help. I am blessed to have met you. And now I can restart my work on my new laptop with peace and joy. More strength to you as always. Mohan got a brand new Lenovo laptop. His Venus is well blessed, and just look how certain aspects of life are connected astrologically. Because his old laptop was Dell, which signify Venus, number 6, and his new laptop Lenovo also signify Venus, the number 6. Indeed, Mohan is a Venusian man, always light-hearted, always honest, always grateful, and always faithful. You too can get a suitable brand for yourself. All you need is to focus on what lies beneath, and then you can find your brand. Always remember, brands should not influence you. You should select your brand based on what suits you astrologically, because every brand carries a certain vibration. Whether those vibrations suit you or not is something you need to find out before you swipe your debit card. This sharing is specifically for my close followers and listeners, and so others can ignore. Always remember, when you walk with the Master, everything starts appearing crystal clear. The way appears as you keep walking with the Master. Whenever you have a doubt, remember your Master and keep walking. And the way will appear when the time is right. Trust in His timing. Trust in His process. The Master says, you don't know what I am doing now, but later you will. Love to all my followers, listeners, and fellow travelers. Keep walking, and when you walk, let your faith become larger than your fear. Stay blessed and remember to meditate every day. Always love, because love is fearless in the midst of the sea of fear. Reminds me of Rumi when he thanks God, for it is through the light of God consciousness that he self-realizes the significance of love. In your light, I learn to love, says Rumi. How beautiful. Love to all. Stay blessed, and remember, you are not alone. God is with you. Jai Sri Ganesha. Jai Guru.